Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 232 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is about letting calm wash over you like gentle waves. Each inhale brings peace. Each exhale releases tension. Let's begin by taking a slow, deep breath in and gently exhale. Feel your body relaxing. Notice any tightness or stress and allow it to drift away with your breath. Now, say to yourself, I am safe and at ease. Calm flows through me, and I release what I cannot control. Keep breathing gently. Let the rhythm of your breath guide you. When you're ready, gently bring yourself back to the present and carry this sense of calm with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.